Abbott said today there will be no mask mandates for Texas students. Millions of kids will head back to school over the next few weeks, most schools doing 100% in-person learning. Adam Bennett is live near Energy Park.
And Adam, COVID cases are going up quickly across the state.
They are, Ron. Texas medical center officials say that in the last 2 weeks, their hospitalizations have gone up by 90%. Fewer than a third of 12 to 17-year-olds nationwide have been vaccinated, and kids under 12 can't get the shot. As COVID-19 cases climb in Houston,
we are clearly seeing the beginning of the fourth wave of this pandemic.
So does concern among hospital officials.
And this is a pandemic of the unvaccinated now.
And some parents and students.
I think it is, really scary that we're seeing the COVID numbers rise.
Seba Ali's 12-year-old daughter, Zia, has been vaccinated. Zia's two younger siblings are not eligible.
I really want it because I can do more things. It just gives us a layer of protection.
Governor Gov Abbott was in Houston today to sign an anti-fentanyl bill. I asked him why he's not letting schools require masks for kids under 12.
Sure. First and most importantly, everyone needs to take serious the spread of COVID.
The governor said the best way to reduce the spread is for people who can get a vaccine to do so. For those who can't,
everyone has had more than a year to master all the safe strategies that they can choose that's best for them and their family members. We're past the time of government mandates.
The Ali family knows what they'll do.
Until they get vaccinated, we'll continue to wear masks in public spaces. They'll wear masks to school.
And we reached out to more than 15 school districts. Most, including HISD, are recommending face coverings in the classrooms. And they're also urging families who can vaccinate eligible children in their family to do so. Reka?
All right, Adam, thank you so much. Live near Energy Park.